Hey guys, what's up? It's Android Critics from AndroidCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the iPhone 10 Animoji feature on any Android device with no root needed. Now, this is the closest thing to getting Animoji on your Android device, and it looks very similar, and it has all the same features. Now, if you don't know what Animoji is, it's that very special iPhone 10 feature that basically is a face filter of different animals and different emojis and a whole lot of great themes. That is what Animoji does, and it basically takes your front-facing camera and will convert you into an animal cartoonish looking character. So that is what Animoji allows you to do. Now, before we go ahead and start this video, be sure to sign up for my Android Critics newsletter down in the description down below. And once you sign up for my Android Critics newsletter, you'll be able to get latest and greatest Android news, tips and tricks, and a whole lot more. So without further ado, let's get straight on into this video. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into Settings. Now, once you go into Settings, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down until you see Security. And then you're simply going to tap on Security. And then once you tap on Security, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see Unknown Sources. You're simply going to tap on Unknown Sources. Then you're going to go ahead and hit OK. And now once you've done that, what you're going to do is go back to your home screen. And once you go back to your home screen, what you're going to do is click on the very first link down in the description down below. It'll take you to AndroidCritics.com and it'll be a full written tutorial. And towards the end of the post, you see that there'll be a download link for the app. So once you tap on that download link, it will take you to this page. So this is the app that you need, and it goes by the name of Supermoji. So you can just simply press download APK. And then it'll say starting download. And now we can go ahead and take a look at the download progress. And now you're going to see that it's almost finished downloading. And now the download is complete, so you can go ahead and tap on it. And then we can go ahead and install Supermoji. And now you can see that the app is installed, so you can go ahead and hit open. So this is what Supermoji looks like when you first go into it. So you're going to see that you have where your face should be, and then you have all these special characters at the bottom. So you can see that you have a rabbit, you have a dog, you have a monkey, and then you have some other famous celebrities. So you can see all the celebrities at the bottom, and then you can see that you have the panda, and then you have the fox emoji and a dog emoji, all these other emojis, and then you have the chicken as well. And then you have the background, so you can take a look at some of the backgrounds, and then you have the effects as well. Now all you have to do is look directly into your front-facing camera, then it'll detect your face and then turn you into an Animoji. So now what we can do is go ahead and try it out. So now you can see that the Animoji app is working, and I'm the rabbit character. And you can see it's just like the iPhone 10. I'm moving to the left, I'm moving to the right, and it is working. And it's just really easy to use. Now I can go to the dog character, for example. You can also see that it is doing its job. And now we can go over to the pig. You can see the pig is also working as well. And it's just very fluid and easy to navigate with this Supermoji app. So now what I can do is go ahead and press the record button. And when I press the record button, you can see it's recording. And now what you can do is see that we have the options at the bottom. And you see that we have the option to save it. And we can also press share. And when we press share, you're going to see that you have all these options to share. So we have Android Beam, Bluetooth. And we can go to the next page. And you can see that we have a lot of great options. So that is the Supermoji app, and that is what it allows to do. It allows to get the iPhone 10 Animoji on your Android device. So that is the Supermoji app in all of its glory. So thanks for watching this video on how to get the iPhone 10 Animojis on any Android device with no root needed. Please be sure to subscribe. Please like this video. Please smash the like button. Now let us know you watched. Also be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out AndroidCritics.com for latest Android news, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AndroidCritics. And also be sure to sign up for my Android Critics newsletter down in the description down below. Once you sign up for my Android Critics newsletter, you'll be able to get latest and greatest Android news, tips and tricks, and a whole lot more. And be sure to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/AndroidCritics. And thanks for watching.